Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Victorinox Mountaineer. And the Victorinox Mountaineer, can y'all read that okay? Anyway, the Victorinox Mountaineer is kind of a mid-range Swiss Army knife. It's not huge, but it's also not like tiny. It weighs close to 4 ounces. I think it's like 3.8 ounces. And it's got some interesting tools on it. It's got an interesting selection of tools, but it's one of those things like it's kind of, does this tool best fit what you want? And in this case, let's take a look at it. All right, it has the usual toothpick and tweezers in the scales, which you really would expect. It doesn't have a set of plus scales, so no writing pen, no ink pen, or no stick pen here. You have the corkscrew. Let me zoom out a teeny bit and see a little better. Alright. So you have the corkscrew. You've got a multi-purpose hook, which is not uncommon. And you have an awl, which is also not terribly uncommon. You've got the big and small blades, the big and small knife blades. You've got the small knife blade and the big knife blade, both of which are pretty common on the 91mm Swiss Army knives. And this, as with pretty much every Swiss Army knife blade, is out of the box super sharp. You've got scissors. Oh, you don't have scissors. Well, you do have scissors, but this one has a metal file, like the metal saw, which is kind of a neat addition. You get scissors, if they'll cooperate, and then you get the can opener and flathead screwdriver, and you get the bottle opener and larger flathead screwdriver, and you also get this stupid little wire stripping nub. So it's not a bad little knife, and they're not super expensive. I'll include a link in the description. They're currently in production. You can find them on Amazon. I want to say they're like $40, something like that. They're not like absurdly expensive, and you do get a lot of bang for the size with this, because I mean, like, it's almost 4 ounces, so it's heading toward the territory where it's like it's starting to get a little heavy for a pocket knife type knife. But you still get a lot of tools on it, so I mean, like, it's not a bad package, especially if you need if you have a situation where you would use like the metal file a lot. I mean, like, I feel like the metal file would be the big reason you'd want this knife. The metal file and maybe the scissors, because those are like, the metal file though is the one kind of oddity for a knife this size. There's a the trail guide? No, that doesn't sound right. Troubleshooter? There's another knife, there's a smaller knife that has a metal saw on it, but this is relatively small to be able to get a metal saw. And the other one's out of production anyway. Anyway, it's kind of an interesting knife. I tell you what, let me know what you think in the comments. Is a metal saw that important? Is it the kind of thing that you would need every day? Or is it just one of those odd tools that, you know, you have it on a Swiss Champ, so you might use it every now and then? Or is it something critical? Also, if you can think of any cool things I should look at, Swiss Army knives, other knives, pens, whatever, nifty things you carry in your pocket, gadgets, that type of thing, let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for cool new toys. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.